This is the SQL Server Index Maintenance module, and we are discussing about the fragmentation in the indexes. So there are two kinds of index fragmentation. One is known as the logical fragmentation, and we can also say this is the external fragmentation. And the other one is the internal fragmentation. What is the logical fragmentation? In the logical fragmentation, when the logical pages, the next logical page is not the next physical contiguous page, then this is known as the logical fragmentation or external fragmentation. For example, these are all pages are now, this is the allocation order of the pages on the leaf level of the index. The logical orders which are represented by these arrows, the logical order and the physical orders are all same. They are all are in orders, so there is no fragmentation. But if we are going to insert some record, like there these are the records are in orders 1 2 3 4 5 and 7. So if we are going to insert the record number 6 between 5 and 7, so what will be happened? These are the index keys. So 6 key when we are going to insert, there will be the one thing will be happened, that the engine will will create a new page, so that it can make a space on this page, because this page is a full, and when the new record is inserted, so record will be in the order, so it will come after 5. So after 5 there is already in the 7, so the 7 will be moved into the new page. So now this new page is also 50% empty, and this page from where the record is moved, this is also have emptied. It will make the space for this record, and this record is inserted, still there is the space. So now the physical order, this is the physical orders, and the arrow are representing the logical order. So now the logical order is changed. Before the page 266, representing the next logical page is the 267, but now this page next logical page is 270, but the physical page is 267. So this physical page and logical page orders are mismatched. So this is the fragmentation known as the logical fragmentation or external fragmentation. In the internal fragmentation, when a new record is inserted into the index leaf level structure, so what it will be, the index, it will create a new page, and the 50% round about the 50% records will be moved from the existing page to the new created page. So now both pages are empty. So this the when these the pages are empty, so these empty pages create the fragmentation which is known as the internal fragmentation.